Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another video from our One Tool Per Day series. Yes, so if you're new, we are introducing a new tool every day to help you grow your online business. So be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a thing. And if you still remember, in this first week, it's all about the tool that's going to help you grow your social media marketing. And in today's episode, I'm going to introduce you another super easy, super straightforward tools that you can use for your business. And this tool is all about Twitter marketing. So let's hop right into this. Alright guys, so today we have Followerwonk. It's another simple, straightforward tools just like 𝙎𝙎𝙎𝙎. Now if you missed that video about 𝙎𝙎𝙎𝙎, do check it out. It's a very simple but also powerful tool to help you harvest the power of hashtag. Now before we explore Followerwonk, I'm gonna have to put out there a little disclaimer again. But since you guys have already heard this like so many times in my video, I'm gonna make this quick. This video is not sponsored by Followerwonk. And if you're interested in this tool, we highly recommend you to sign up, check out the free plan first before you pay anything to see if this tool is actually appropriate, is actually suitable for your business need. Now let's hop right into this. So Followerwonk is a tool to help your Twitter marketing. Followerwonk help you to find, analyze, and optimize your marketing effort, your social media marketing effort. Now let's see what we got. First, we have the feature to search bio. As I say, Followerwonk is another very straightforward, easy to use tool. Now, for instance, if we enter here, maybe Netflix, let's see what it will offer. All right, so now with the option to search Twitter profile, it will come up with all the profiles that have the keyword Netflix in it. Now, as you can see here, we have Zendaya at the first position, and then Netflix, and then more other profile come with statistic such as total number of tweets, number of followings, number of followers, account age, and even social authority. This will help you to explore all the accounts that is related to the account that of your interest that you want to explore, so that you can have like a better understanding of the player in your market. All right, so for the next feature, Followerwonk allows you to compare your social graph to competitor, friends, or industry leader. So for instance, in this first position, you can put your Twitter accounts. Again, the second position where you will put a competitor, and the third position will be an industry leader, so that you can have a clear understanding how you compare against your competitor and against an industry leader to understand where are you lagging, where can you improve more, and where you're actually performing. All right, guys, so that being said, I have 3 profiles here that I would like to check out. Let's see what we got if we compared their followers. Let's do it. All right, so here is our 3 profile, and here we have some graph. Let's explore, see what they actually offer. So here first we have some followers of each separate profiles, and then we have followers only of the 2 profiles. So it's pretty interesting when you see why these merge, why have this similarity there. All follower of all 3 accounts is also here. These are very interesting statistics that you can really look into. And next we also have, days on Twitter, how many days that they have been on Twitter, and their average follower per week, their total tweets, and their average tweet per week. So you can see the performance and kind of just understand why and how these provide achieving these statistics, these amazing results that they are actually able to achieve. All right, so for the next feature, we have analyzed. This allows us to have a more detailed look into a profile, yours or your competitor or an industry leader, followings, follower list. Now let's see what we got. So I'm just going to use one of the profile we have already seen in the compare user feature, and we're going to analyze their followers. All right, let's see what we got. Followerwonk segment these users into a number of psychographic segments, including gender, location, Twitter activities, and more. And let's explore what they have for us. So first we have a map location of this profile follower. And we can see that the majority of her follower is from this location. you can just check it out. So if you are aiming for a similar target audience base, you can look into this and decide to incorporate some unique cultural. So if you don't know what social authority scored is, they have also an explanation right here. So social authority is a rating of a user influence and engagement on Twitter, ranged from 1 to 100. And as you can see, this profile, the majority of her user have like 1 to 10 social authority scored. That's 64.9. So you can understand more into the profile target audience base. And of course, we also have a graph for gender. Most is undeterminate. And next, we also have a graph for gender and for follower counts of followers. So how many followers these profile have, and also following count. So how many followings these profile actually have, and also an age graph, and also an account age gap. You can see here the majority of the account followers have like an account age of 5 years or more, meaning they have been on Twitter for a while, and so her content is suitable for profile a follower. Next are some more graphs to give you a better look into maybe your own account follower base, so that you can develop content that is more appropriate, that is more engaging to them. So be sure to explore all of these graphs to extract the right information, the right data for you to develop the best content strategy on Twitter. Next, you can enter your profile here to track your followers or your follows in the last 60 days to see how many new followers you have daily or you have lost daily. And they also offer some graphs so that you can compare to see if your daily gain is outweigh your daily loss. And lastly, we have sort followers. Here's where you can sort all of your Twitter followers and follows by name, dates on Twitter, tweet counts, and more. And Followerwonk actually record every new relationship you forms and let you quickly explore those relationships in spreadsheet. So that is very convenient. It allows you to do it faster and to have everything more organized. So obviously for this feature, you're gonna have to sign in to subscribe to link to your own Twitter account, and I'll let you explore from there. Now, before we end this, let's check out their pricing, as we always do. So yes, they offer a free plan, which will let you to connect one profile but with limited access. And there's also other plan that you can choose. But again, highly encourage you to sign up for the free plan first to check out if the tool is suitable for your business need before joining any other paid plan. So that's it for today's video, guys. Do you like Followerwonk? Let me know in the comment below. It's another very easy, very straightforward tools for Twitter marketing, so I hope you like it. Or if you have any tool recommendation for us, do comment below. We would love to hear from you. Until next time, I'm Alice from Standout. That's it, guys. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed that. If you're up for more bootcamps and courses from industry expert, we also have that link ready for you. For any of you looking to build a website, there's a free access to our website builder. And of course, don't forget to join our Facebook group for more updates, and be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss any future free training from us. Until next time, I'm Alice from Standout.